Alrighty. Hello everyone and welcome to my reaction to Love Through Prism. Ooh, the last episode ended on such a good note, and I keep having this feeling that is going to continue being bad. Not in the sense that the show is bad. It's kind of like when you're playing a video game and you know that the bad ending is approaching, and you know that you can't do anything to change the bad ending that's approaching. So you have to keep playing and keep seeing. I have this feeling that we are approaching the bad ending for a few reasons. While I theorize the fact that maybe Lily will be awake when Kit finds her and helps her up and takes her back to the castle, I thought about it, and maybe she's so exhausted that she might not be awake enough. So she has zero idea the next day when she wakes up that Kit was the one who found her. And I have a feeling that Kit might just be like, don't tell her. So the misunderstandings are going to continue growing. Like, while she's aware of the reality of Kit's engagement, it is still an engagement and it still feels like a betrayal to her. Because he could have been honest with her that, hey, just so you know, just as an FYI, I have a fiance. This is the reality. I'm not looking to engage in any romantic thingy. If I am, I will have to have a conversation with my father before I engage in anything romantic with you. Even if I have those feelings, I am going to put a pause in it and I'm not going to act on it until I've had a conversation with my father about all of this stuff and breaking the engagement. And just so you know, it's not because of you that I'm breaking the engagement. I just didn't want to get engaged to her. Probably it could have been said in a better way, but he would have said something along these lines. Though to be completely honest, their love blossomed way too quickly for any of them to be actively aware of the fact that this is happening between them. So any romantic inclinations were probably as new to them as they are to us. And so he didn't have time to process it further enough before he made any moves. Though there is the conversation that, like thinking back upon it, while it made the fan fiction girly of my heart really happy and excited about the fact that, hey, you know what? He gave her his mom's dress. This is so cute, blah, blah, blah. At the end of the day, it is also indirectly at least placing a claim on her. Like, hey, she is mine. I know that might not have been his direct or even indirect intention, but it was a big enough intention considering that he gave her his dead mom's dress to wear. Kind of crazy. And I think that's what she's also seeing it from. We did not have any conversations. I feel betrayed. Why would you do this? So it's just going to keep growing and festering, I feel, and I don't want to watch it. But I am going to, because Mama didn't raise a whiner and a loser. So we are going to keep watching and seeing how the show grows and where they take us with the story. So without further ado, let's get into it. Love Through Prism, baby. Oh god, I wanted Kit to be the one who finds her, but not Aphrodite, ensuring that she's safe and no longer harmed by anyone else. Ooh, I wanted her to be found by Kit, and I wanted Shin to be the one who sees Kit carrying Lily over. But no, we are going in the direction of Shin potentially ending up with Lily. I don't like it. I do not like it at all. I am sorry, Shin. You are a cutie patootie, okay? But this is second lead syndrome all over. And I don't want to cheer on for you. I am sorry. At least when it comes to Lily, okay? Like, you are an amazing artist and all of that. And I'm kind of shipping you with Peter. So, like, no, I don't like it. I only wanted the jealousy arc, okay? I only wanted it, but goddamn, that sucks. Oof. This is the reason why people are like, be careful what you wish for. I did not want it like this. I wanted like a play jealousy arc. This is like a jealousy arc. I don't want it. Okay, I'm gonna watch. I am just going to assume that Shin is going to end up with Lily and Kit is going to stand in the sidelines and keep watching her or something like that. It's going to break my heart. I'm going to assume that and get into the show. But oh no.
大牧場に落ちてたカシの木のかけらで作ったんだ。
She just gave me Benedict vibes, okay? Benedict drawing Sophie in his accounting books and stuff like that. That's the exact vibe I got from Lily right now. Crazy.
お土産のリコッタチーズとチョコレート、新作のボンボンショコラだって。とりあえず全種類買ってきた。ちょっと多いけど、チョコなら無限に食べれるからね。
Dorothy is so cute, okay? She's like, here, I bought you a bunch of gifts so that you don't feel bad about what happened back there. Ooh, such a cutie patootie.
このままじゃ下宿代払えなくなる。
Take up a job.
ご両親に連絡して送金してもらうことできない？
Girl, by the time that letter reaches to Japan and the parents decide, big emphasis on decide, to send money back to her, she would be on the streets. Not a possibility. I mean, sounds like a good idea to start off the brainstorming, but not the final idea to end the brainstorming.
ダイアナさんの性格からして容赦なく追い出すわよ。前例あるから。
That's crazy. I mean, she seemed caring enough to ensure that she always gives Lily fish to eat for God knows what joy. Maybe it's because she assumes that she would like sushi and sashimi and stuff like that, so she would like fish pies and stuff like that as well. Maybe that's it, but she would just throw her out. No hesitation. That's crazy. Watch Dorothy be like, hey, so maybe use some of your ninja skills. Shuriken.
相談とは？
お仕事紹介していただけないでしょうか？
Why do I see this happening inside Professor Brand's head? Oh, and here I thought you were here to ask for opinions on how you can better your painting and your art. But no, you're just here for money. I mean, not directly from me, but still money. Disappointing. The youth of these days are so irresponsible, I tell you all.
自らに負荷を与えるほど心は強く燃え上がるものだ。
Crazy. He's like, oh, emotional damage, financial difficulties, trauma. It's just going to help you make better art. Crazy, I'll help you. Or maybe I should let you suffer for like 15 days before I help you. At the very last moment. That gratitude will show up in your art.
シェイクスピアはとりあえず大丈夫なんですけど。
あーてど。
That was the worst move, okay? Lily, you should have just doubled down. Oh, did Shakespeare actually say that? Oh my god, tell me more. Also, while you're telling me more about it, tell me about what job you can prepare for me. But yes, tell me more about Shakespeare. I'm here to learn from you, sensei. Like, just double down on it. I would have done it.
散歩ついでに一緒にどう？中を知ってる人が横にいてくれたら心強い。
I have a feeling that both of them are aware of the fact that they both have feelings for Lily, okay? But also at the same time, it's not nasty. I love the fact that the relationship between them hasn't soured. It is still like, okay, I'll help you along. Like, it was just lost in his thoughts and he didn't notice him. But when he did, he was like, I'm happy to help you. Let's go. So, I like the fact that it didn't turn nasty between them. Nice. Still don't like the jealousy arc. I asked for it. Merlin above, I asked for it. I am sorry. I retract that statement right away. 2 episodes too late, but still, I retract it. Please don't. We can turn this around, guys. We can.
まるで永遠の命みたいだ。は？
Hate me for it, okay? But what if these two get together? Lily was the one who brought them together. Let's go. That's crazy. I mean, I don't want to see it, okay? But hey, polyamory still exists. I am down for it. Probably doesn't exist back then. I mean, I think it would exist back then. I am hyped for it nonetheless. I can see it happening. I don't really want to see it happening because Kit and Lily are my OTP. But hey, this is a wonderful resolution of a love triangle. I always say that. Maybe is all I'm saying, right? Like maybe conflict resolution 101. Why fight when you can just make love?
どうしたんだ？きっと。
シン、いいものを見せてやる。
Every 2 episode kid takes one person on a date. He took Lily to see a lily flower field, okay? He's taking Shin on a sculpture ride. Let's go. I am here for it. Kid seducing his way through London. That's exactly what we needed in the show. To bring some levity to it.
冷たい石の作り物で、俺は初めて命とは何かを学んだ。
That's such a good line. I genuinely enjoyed that line. A cold marble structure showed me what it meant to be alive. Ooh, mama. Such a good line. Not Peter's judgmental look, okay? Like, you are just as sloshed as he is, if not more. Or maybe it's a look of love. Everyone loves each other. That's how people exist in my world. Welcome to it.
知らない。俺には関係ない。
どう言い繕っても、他の誰より環境に恵まれてるってことに変わりは。
Listen, okay, both of them have really good points. Kid does not has to worry about anything in his life. Let's be honest, okay? He has everything provided for him. If he decides to go on like a run for like 2 years, not do anything at all, it is still going to be fine. Yes, his father is going to be disappointed in him. His brother is going to be disappointed in him. But that's all it boils down to, right? Like your family being disappointed in you and you feeling like you don't belong anywhere. And I am not saying that that is not important. But pretty much everyone, not even Joffrey, okay? Joffrey is like a minor aristocrat in this world. Peter, Shin, Lily, all of these people are having to struggle to get a footing in this world. That's not easy. Like, the only thing Kit has to worry about is, freedom. The thing that all of these people have to worry about is, like with Lily, she was like, oh shit, I don't have money to stay in my boarding home because I spent it all up on the trip that I went to as well as the doctor that I visited, and I did not account for that. Like, that's the reality, and I love that the show is giving us a bit of emphasis on that. It's not brushed aside. It is still an important reality for them. Crazy. I love that. I genuinely do love that a lot.
うちの学院は、とある資産家の莫大な出資で創設されたと聞いたことがある。
面白い偶然もあるもんだな。
Did the father set it up for his son to enjoy art then so that he can learn art to his heart's content? Once again, shows that he is loved and cared for, and his father did all of this for him. I'm not brushing that aside, okay? Money, money, money must be funny in a rich man's world. Like, at the end of the day, the dad did do a good job, okay? Because he ensured that in this academy, no one is segregated based on class. Everyone gets an equal opportunity to study and to learn and to grow. Still crazy. Oh, why is this bitch here again? I am sorry for calling you a bitch, ma'am. Oh my god, I am genuinely sorry. But you are one, okay? I am so sorry. Why are you here? Enough. She apologized for it. What more do you want? Oh my god. Okay, you know what? Oh god, I'm just gonna relax and watch this. I can't, but I'm going to try my best.
私、心配しておりましたのよ。で、キャサリンさんはロンドンに何のご用？
No, you weren't, but also Dorothy matches my vibe so easily and so quickly. I love her. She's like, yeah, man, whatever. Drop the pretense. Not working here. She might be naive enough to believe you. I am not. I see you.
しばらくロンドンに滞在することになりましたわ。
Yeah, okay. I see it for what it is. You want to spend more time with Kit. Whatever. I'm just going to watch, okay? I see it for what it is. I know she's trying her best, okay? She is coming from the stream perspective of, he's my fiancé. I'm going to learn everything I can about him so that we can live a happy married life. But the stuff you pulled with Lily is what makes me super pissed off with you, even though I understand where you're coming from.
今は街を散策しておりましたの。そしたら、偶然お二人の姿が目に入ったものですから。
Yeah, right. She was taking that stroll inside a car.
よくわかったわね。店の中にいたのに。気のせいかしら？まるでリリを探していたみたい。
Clock that shit.
その記念に肖像画を描いてもらうことになっているのですけど。リリさん、お願いできないかしら？
Okay, ma'am, I do not like you, okay? But ask your fiancé for it. This way you get to spend more time with him. Unless you are enamored with Lily, I don't know why you are hell-bent on spending time with her. Did she just go, oh, you know what? She is very pretty. And I kind of fell in love with her in the first sight. I'm gonna annoy her and harass her. Yikes. I don't like it. Just ask your fiancé. What is going on in this girl's head? I genuinely do not know. She does seem like she has a crush on Lily right now, okay? Let's be extremely honest. And while I love my Yuri, this ain't a Yuri I must stand behind.
なんでよ、婚約者に書いてもらえばいいじゃない。
I am so glad you're with me, Dorothy. But also at the same time, Lily, can I just say this, okay? Do it. Just so that you can earn enough money, so that you can pay for boarding, get new paint brushes and tools, go crazy with your money and still have enough to carry you forward and just step into luxury. If the opportunity presents itself, why not? Yeah, I mean, you know what, be a bit guarded around her, but also at the same time, you are getting money out of it. You are not harming yourself, you are not harming her, she's not harming you. Go for it, go crazy. Yes, it might be mentally taxing, but it's money. In that economy, do it.
彼は人を描かないので、あなたに描いてもらう。運命だったのかもしれませんわ。リリー、目がポンドになってるわよ。数字に惑わされないで。
Catherine just wrote a check and threw it at her like, here you go, leave my fiancé alone, and at that, paint me as well. Paint me like one of your French girls. Dorothy can be your protection, okay, Lily? I'm just saying go for it. Go for it. Why not?
ご在が足りなければ、この店のもの全部買い取らせていただきますわ。全部？ありがとうとても嬉しいわ。引き受けてくださってありがとう。
Sugar mommy acquired. But oh my god, she literally went, I'll buy the whole store for you. What else you want? What else you want? Tell me. My entire wallet you want? I will do it. Ask for it and you shall receive before the words have even left your mouth. Crazy. It really seems to me that every core member of my ships are getting shipped with everyone else except for the main pair. I don't know what to think about it, okay? And oh my god, okay. Here's the thing. I have seen the poster of Love Through a Prism, okay? And Lily's in the center. Of course, she's our main character. And Kit is in the very corner of it all, okay? Like there's Kit, there is Peter, on this side there's Joffrey, there's Catherine closer to Lily than Kit is, there is Shin and Shizuka. Is that her name? Like Doraemon. I'm sorry, I don't remember your name, darling. I think it is something like that only. Kit and Lily are so far away, it seems like they have to cross oceans to reach each other, which is, I'm guessing, the idea and the intention behind the poster. But man, my ship is being torn apart. There are like 20 people in between them. Crazy. Just spend time with your fiance, man, is all I'm saying, okay? But also seems like she's jumping through multiple hoops to ensure that she's able to spend time with Kit or learn a bit more about Kit or just be a pain in the ass for Lily. We don't know. Let's find out. On to the next episode. But before we go on to that, if you're enjoying my content as much as I'm ready to enjoy Lily, just take a chill, relaxing day with the money she gets from Lady Catherine and just be able to paint without any barriers holding her back, feel free to check out my Patreon where you get early access to and extended cuts of the content that I put on YouTube. Plus, you get to cheer me on so that I can keep creating content for you guys to enjoy. You can be my patron. In fact, you can be my Catherine with the money part of it. But I would love for you to have the personality of Dorothy. Or be Kit. Be Kit. You know what? Be my Kit. Spend money on me. I would love that. With that being said, on to the next episode. Let's go. Let's see what kind of chaos awaits us.
それにしても素敵なお部屋ですね。
向かいがアパート。
向かい
Girl, I know you want her to be a friend, or at least that's the intention with which you invited her here, alongside having your portrait being drawn. But also, for friendship to occur, you need to be able to let the other person talk. Listen before you start interrupting them and sharing whatever you need to share. I know your home or your room is located directly across Kit so that you can be a peepster or whatever nonsense, or that you can catch him in his candid moments as he's drawing away. That's probably the intention, but like, girl, just she sees Kit enough in his natural habitat, which is sleeping in all kinds of chaotic formations all across the college, for her to not care enough about him being on the other side of the road. Okay, just as an FYI. You would have had better chances if you had joined the college and been like, okay, you know what? I want to learn. Can you teach me? To the other professors, be in the same space, and then slowly start to understand and get a better understanding of who Kit is. I mean, he would have seen that nonetheless, seen the manipulation coming, but hey, why not? Have fun. Much better than trying to understand more about him from his current crush. Like, that's crazy. Internally, I would be like, oh my god, girl, chill out. But also at the same time, I would be like, she's giving me money, but I gotta draw the line somewhere. Workplace boundaries are really important, kids. Don't let money lead you to stress and burnout. I'm saying that as a stress and burnout coach. Maintain healthy work boundaries.
あら、知らなかった？ずいぶん仲が良さそうに見えましたから、近くにいたいと思うのは当然ではなくて。
Genuinely, there are so many other ways to go about this. I don't know why you're flexing in front of her. He's already told you multiple times. I don't know why you thought that she would be sleeping with Kit. Please consider the era you are in right now. That would be so deeply frowned upon. Girl, you need to like take it down 5 notches. Do you genuinely want your portrait to be drawn or not?
私、未来の夫の良き友として、あなたとも仲良くしていきたいの。
I don't know why this girl is approaching their friendship or this entire relationship as if Lily is getting ready to be Kit's mistress or something, okay? Like, what's going on? Girl, she's apologized multiple times. She's already said she doesn't want that relationship to go that way. And yet you're still stuck on that spiral. You're more invested in their relationship than they are invested in it currently. Talk about a pale imitation of the original thing, okay? She literally got a replica of the main dress that Lily wore. Girl, come on.
なかなかかかるものなのね。
Seems like literal torture, yikes. Maybe ask her, what do you want the portrait to signify here? What does that look like for you? What does this look like for you? What do you want in the dress highlighted? What do you want in your face highlighted? Ask her like 20 questions. She will get exhausted. You will be able to draw. Show it to her. I'm pretty sure she'll still torture you, but hey, she would annoy you 10% less.
そろそろお時間です。
I get what they're trying to show, okay? Like she's always looking Kit's way and Kit is never looking her way. That yearning is there, but she yearns for the dress and not for the person, if you know what I mean. She wants the status that comes with it, and please don't let her walk all over you. Please, I beg it of you. We need Dorothy here.
何やってんの？
きっと
This girl literally facilitated them meeting, okay? It was literally like, why are you doing the painting here? You are going to ensure that they keep meeting. Do you want the ship to sail? Like, is that what it is all about? Like, what do you want, lady? Lily can give that dress to her and she can marry Kit. Hey, all problems solved. I know it's not going to go that way, okay? But a girl can hope.
まだラフだけど、仕上がりにも満足してもらってるわ。
Lily more like lie, okay? Why are you lying to him? Why are you lying to him? It's okay. He is so used to putting up masks that he's going to recognize the fact that you put up masks. And all that's going through my head right now is like her mom did clock her really well with the fact that she's going to keep lying in the letter so that her parents don't worry about her. Like, you should have still worried about your kid.
珍しい羽。大きな鳥。
Immediately flashing back to the peacock. Let's go. Not her next appointment being the fact that Kit is going to return home. I genuinely care for you, okay? But also at the same time, I don't know how to feel about this. This is how relationships were made. Arranged marriages were a norm back then. And he's not being shameless. Right now, I think he genuinely was inviting her over as a friend. Man, this sucks. The portrait's really beautiful, but I genuinely thought that the girl would get a bit of a break where she can relax and reset, but she's like working 2 different jobs all at the same time. Please don't faint from exhaustion, okay? That's what it looks like. She is busier than ever. At least if you're fainting, don't faint in Catherine's house. She's probably going to lord that over you. I'm sorry, I'm painting you as a bitch. That's Lily's job. I'm sorry, I'll stop, I'm sorry.
シンもなんとか言ってやってよ。
He'll try talking to her, but she'll only ever listen to Kit. Pushing the agenda too far, eh?
きっとも飽きもせず一日中絵を描いて。
To be fair, he still does. Just as an FYI.
趣味
Girl is going to help her realize like 3 different passions that she hasn't had time to explore before this.
準備するから座ってて。今回は、ちょっと手応えを感じてるんだ。期待しててよ。
The thing is, he's such husband material, okay? And he reminds me so much of Shun. Just the scene of them walking, her with the bicycle, him walking next to her, reminded me so much of the main characters from Up on Poppy Hill that I was like, you can't help but cheer him on. He is not a bad dude, okay? He's genuinely such a good domestic kid that it makes you want to relax next to him. There are no multiple barriers you have to cross. There is not a lot of misinformation. There is not a lot of, mystery and intrigue behind Shin. It's like, okay, you get what you see. And he is such a good pairing for her. I know she's not looking at him like that, okay? But you can't help but ship them together and cheer him on.
これ全部さくらちゃんが作ったの？
ビビ。
They make such a good family. Oh, I am genuinely loving the vibes of them. Even though I love Kit and Lily together, okay? I am loving the vibe of the small and cute family. I don't think I would genuinely mind it a lot if if Lily and Shin end up together. If Kit and Shin and Lily end up together, that's like the best outcome I could have ever hoped for.
いただこうか。
いただきます。
Start crying now because I would have. Listen, when I was in university, okay, and I would be coming back home and I would get to eat ghar ka khana, which is essentially homemade food in Hindi. But when I would get to eat homemade food, it would make me cry because of how much I missed it. I don't even need to imagine what Lily might be going through right now because yikes, been there, done that. Do not like it at all.
今日は誘ってくれて本当にありがとう。
Shin, just invite her over. Be like, you can come for food here from now onwards if you want to. Because anyways, you're paying Diana for the food and the lodgings, right? Just pay for the lodgings, come for food here. I would have invited Lily over. Poor girl feels like she hasn't eaten anything since she's arrived here.
私にはこんな笑顔なんていらない。
お嬢様。エムズ川に捨ててきます。
I feel so bad for her because she's also put into structures and spaces where she's been told to behave a certain way. Oh, sucks. It sucks. The fact that she sees herself smile and she's like, who is this person? I don't get this person. I don't know this person. Oh, that hurt me.
レベッカ待ってレベッカきっと。あら、きっと。どうしたのこんなところで。
Girl, just be yourself, okay? Outside of all of that chaos and cunningness and manipulativeness, remove all of that and be yourself. Just that brief glimpse of who you were 5 seconds ago made me be like, Hannah, take care of you. Please, let all of that fade away and just be yourself.
私が依頼して描かせた絵ですもの。どうしようと私の勝手でしょ
それを捨てるのは、書いた人を殺すのと変わらない。
リリのこと、好きなの。
その通りかもしれない。
I don't know what to think about this because I was genuinely like, I thought he would go no, but he was like, I see, I guess that's what it was. I love her. I don't know how to feel about this, okay? I genuinely don't. I am happy we got a confession, but Lily is obviously not going to be happy about it. She's going to be like, I don't know how to feel about this. I like Lady Catherine. She's going to have all kinds of weird feelings about it. She's probably not going to agree to it. She's probably going to go away home and marry Shin or something like that. Genuinely feel like that is the angle they're going for, even though Kit is running after Lily. I am so glad he's running after Lily. Even though they're giving us all this, okay, I genuinely don't think it is going to play out the way I want it to play out. But those were episodes 7 and 8 of Love Through Prism. I am hyped to keep watching it, okay? This is the kind of teenage drama that just makes everything juicy and makes you like live life. I loved Kid throwing away someone's painting. It's like throwing away that part of the artist's life. Like, even if he would have reached a point where he liked Catherine enough to continue in the engagement and potential marriage with her throwing away the painting or saying that, it's my painting, I can do whatever I want with it, made him detach from her completely at that point in time. Oof, this show is heavy. Without it being heavy, it is very heavy because you get everyone's perspectives, okay? And you understand everyone's actions. So it is very heavy. I am nonetheless intrigued to keep watching it and seeing it. The painting was genuinely so beautiful. I was like, dang. I don't think we are going to get the conflict resolution of this right away. We are in the 8th episode. We have 12 more episodes to go. If we do, no one is more happier than me. With that being said, let me know your thoughts on these 2 episodes as well as my theories, this reaction video down in the comments below. And I shall see you in the next one. Until then, like, share, subscribe. Bye bye. Take care. Do-do-do.